Welcome to QLM Business News. And now for today's news stories. Bank of England hints at interest rate cut amid inflation forecast. The Bank of England has hinted at a possible interest rate cut in the near future, despite keeping borrowing costs unchanged at 5.25%. In its latest monetary policy decision, the bank forecasted that inflation would temporarily fall below 2% by May, marking the first time since early 2021. However, policymakers emphasized the need for more evidence to ensure inflation remains at the government's target rate before implementing any rate cuts. While the majority of the Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, voted to maintain the current interest rate, independent economist Swati Dhingra advocated for an immediate reduction in borrowing costs, signaling a potential shift in the bank's stance. The decision comes amid a steady decline in inflation over recent months, although risks from rising prices persist amidst the ongoing cost of living crisis. Governor Andrew Bailey highlighted the importance of sustained evidence that inflation will reach and remain at the 2% target before considering rate cuts. Financial markets had anticipated a fourth consecutive hold on interest rates but are now eyeing potential cuts as early as June, providing a boost for economic growth. However, the bank cautioned that inflation is expected to rise above the target rate later this year, driven by robust pay growth and inflationary pressures in the services sector and labor market. Despite acknowledging the temporary dip in inflation, policymakers remain cautious about the broader economic outlook. The decision reflects a three-way split within the MPC, with some members advocating for further rate increases to address inflationary pressures. The bank emphasized the need for a restrictive monetary policy stance to sustainably return inflation to its target, indicating ongoing monitoring of borrowing costs. The prospect of interest rate cuts could have implications for various sectors, including mortgage and loan markets, as well as broader economic growth. However, policymakers remain vigilant amid uncertainties surrounding inflation and external factors such as geopolitical tensions. The Bank of England's decision to hold interest rates steady, while hinting at potential cuts, underscores the delicate balance between supporting economic recovery and addressing inflationary pressures. As the economic landscape continues to evolve, policymakers remain focused on maintaining stability and fostering sustainable growth. Unlock unparalleled business growth and effortlessly attract a stream of new customers through QLM Business News sponsored advertising. Elevate your brand's presence and captivate your target audience with precision. Visit QLMBusinessNews.com and click on Advertise to harness the power of strategic advertising. Don't miss this unparalleled opportunity to propel your business to new heights of success. This news story is brought to you by QLM Business News, your digital media channel. Visit QLMBusinessNews.com. For more business news stories, also follow us on Facebook, X, and YouTube. To help QLM Business News bring you more news stories like this, please like, share, and subscribe.